In an attempt to reach Earth, an alien species sent out 3 detailed messages. NASA and Russia were the first to get them, and the findings are beginning to baffle scientists. When astronomers first felt the spike in radio signals from a distant star, they were all too excited. The sources of this signal came from the Sun-like star called HD 164595. Not exactly a catchy name, but that's not the point here. This star is from constellation Hercules, nearly 95 light-years away. Some of the more boring scientists out there think this is nothing more of a natural phenomenon. However, other astronomers think NASA and Russia just received an alien message. It's not the first time either. UFO researchers reported that Russia and NASA detected a very strong mystery signal from space. Thanks to SETI, the search for alien life is heating up in a big way. SETI regularly monitors space for radio transmissions from potentially civilized societies. On August 29, 2016, they found a strong signal that they think is artificial in nature. Furthermore, it's coming from a sun-like star very much like our own. This only increases the chance of finding intelligent life like here on Earth. If this was a stand-alone event, that's one thing. However, it's a part of a larger trend. We've all seen crop circles and for the most part, dismiss them as a childish hoax. However, there are far more to these creations than we give them credit for. There are a few different cases where researchers found a binary code in these crop circles. According to them, this is a message from ETS. What they are warning us about is uncertain, but estimates range from invasion warning to a simple hello. It looks like aliens are trying just as hard as we are to communicate. It's only a matter of time before we establish contact.